Hey, Mike Lehman, Race Pages Digital. In 2008, Ford released the Cobra Jet Mustang, and Chevrolet and Dodge quickly followed with the Copo Camaro and the Challenger Drag Pack. Through all three of those cars, MAHLE Motorsports has provided the pistons for the naturally aspirated and the supercharged combinations. Fans of F1 might recognize the name in a lot of the big teams using their technology, but you as a sportsman drag racer in street performance can really unlock a lot of the features that those pro teams use, and Eric Rilio is going to tell us a little bit about it. Eric, how you doing today?
Doing good, Mike.
So you guys offer a sportsman program that's on-the-shelf pistons and custom stuff as well. Can you walk us through some of the features that you offer and kind of delivery times for the piston?
The Power Pack product line that we have is geared towards the sportsman racer. We believe it's a custom featured part in an off-the-shelf, ready-to-go package. We incorporate pistons, pins, clips, and rings in everything we do, and lead time is call your distributor and it should ship same day.
So with these pistons, what are some of the features that you've learned in the high-end motorsports, whether it be drag racing stuff or Formula One or some other racing applications? What finds its way in the sportsman package?
Rings are the biggest thing that we can do. Being the manufacturer of a piston and the manufacturer of rings, we're able to design the two components together, take advantage of manufacturing and technology that we have on the OEM side, and bring that to the performance level. For example, our Power Pack line and small block have 1mm, 1mm, 2mm ring packs, something that was unheard of in an off-the-shelf product even a year or two ago. Big blocks, we're still seeing some 1.5mm, 1.5mm, 3mm. And there's a point that they'll come to the same 1mm package that we see on small block applications. There's a natural progression of how the parts transition in components and technology, and again, keeping it affordable for the sportsman racer.
I think one of the most distinguishing marks about a MAHLE piston is the color, which is the coating for you guys. Can you describe a little bit about that?
I take it for granted because we see it every day, but we forget. We offer a dual-coated piston in every application we sell. The phosphate that makes it gray is a dry film lubricant. It's an immersion process, so it coats the entire piston, but it gives you good ring break-in, pin break-in. It's very robust for helping you protect against scuffing. The gray patch that we put on the skirt is our proprietary Grafal coating. It's a graphite-based coating that aids with friction reduction and, again, protection from scuffing in adverse environments.
So these are on-the-shelf pistons you can buy from MAHLE Motorsport distributors. And where can people find more information about their application and if you make something for it?
On our website, we've got direct links to every product we make. We've got direct links to distributors. It's all there at mahlemotorsports.com.